How to share others' posts on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can share others' posts on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to share other people's posts on Instagram, all you have to do is simply open the Instagram app like this. Let's say that there is a specific photo or the video of interest that you want to share. There are many ways on how you can share it. For that, just tap the DMs icon. Now you can send this to any of your friends by tapping the send button next to it, or you can simply share them to your story by just tapping the little add post to your story button, which is at the very top. So when you tap on add post to your story, the post will be linked automatically to your story. You can tap on it to enable the different type of captions, as you could barely see over here. Now if you want, you can even remove those stickers from the processes, as you can see. And once you've done that, tap the your story button. Now sometimes you might not see the add this to your story button. That is because if the owner's account is private and only you follow them, so other people do not follow them, so they will not be able to see it. That's why you will not be able to see the add post to your story button in such cases. And that is it on how you can simply go ahead and then actually share others' posts on Instagram. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.